Welcome to Kids Op.
Chugga-chugga choo-choo, hop aboard the train, rolling down the tracks through sunshine and rain. We'll find the letters hiding here and there. Sing it loud, we're going everywhere. Ride with me, let's learn today. From A to Z, we'll shout hooray. Clap your hands and tap your shoe. Sound it out, it's fun to do.
A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball, you can bounce on your head. C is for cat that says meow meow. Let's keep rolling, can you show me how? D is for dog with a wagging tail. E is for elephant, big as a whale. F is for fish that swims in the sea. G is for goat who's climbing a tree. H is for hat that you wear on your head. I is for igloo where penguins are fed. J is for jellyfish, hop here and there. K is for kite flying over the street.
Ride with me, let's learn today. From A to Z, we'll shout hooray. Clap your hands and tap your shoe. Sound it out, it's fun to do.
L is for lion with a mighty roar. M is for monkey who swings and soars.
N is for nest where the baby birds lay.
O is for octopus splashing all day. P is for pizza with gooey cheese. Q is for queen who says thank you and please. R is for robot that beeps and spins. S is for snake with a slithery grin. T is for turtle slow on the ground. U is for umbrella when rain comes down. V is for violin playing a tune. W is for whale who sings to the moon.
Ride with me, let's learn today. From A to Z, we'll shout hooray. Clap your hands and tap your shoe. Sound it out, it's fun to do. X is for xylophone, tap it and play. Y is for yo-yo that dances all day. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white. Now we've learned letters, we did it right! Body.